Amazing Discover Jaffa Tour. Great mix of history and storytelling, very engaging and easy to follow. I discovered places and details I would never notice on my own. Highly recommended for anyone visiting Tel Aviv. Explore the ancient streets of Old Jaffa, where history and culture intertwine in a captivating journey. This tour offers a deep dive into the rich heritage of this timeless city, guided by experts who share fascinating stories from centuries past. Marvel at stunning Mediterranean views and experience the unique blend of cultures that define Jaffa. Perfect for history enthusiasts and culture seekers alike, this tour provides an unforgettable glimpse into the heart of one of the world's oldest ports. Discover the historical significance of Old Jaffa with expert guides. Enjoy breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Experience the vibrant mix of cultures that shape Jaffa today. Ideal for history buffs and travelers seeking cultural immersion.